But I think what you're asking is, why can't you have open lines of communications directly with the sponsor? You can, and you should. But I'll give you another reality. As a small sponsor of Biotech, and I'm doing an FSO model, and I'm hiring a CRO, I don't have time to be liaising with 40 to 60 sites and answering their questions. That's the reality of the answer. That doesn't mean I don't want to talk to you. And oftentimes I get pulled into a situation at the last moment when it becomes contentious between site and CRO negotiating. We should avoid that. And I would encourage you, if you're having a problem, to come directly to us. Yes, there's communication plans. We prefer our CRO representatives, who we believe are extensions of us. That's why we choose them. They represent our interests. So we would love, in a perfect world, for sites to feel that way, but we know they don't. At least I don't.
Yep.
So I imagine you don't. That's why you're
right.
asking the question.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Right? Exactly. So, I don't have a perfect answer for y'all, but you should have a sponsor representative. You should inquire that information at your SIV or even at your site selection visit on who that point of contact would be as a point of escalation. And I wouldn't exclude the CRO from your communication.
Of course,
I would
yeah.
CC them. We need to work on transparency, and I encourage you, find out who your point of contact is at your sponsor. Open up those lines.